Hi, it's Frank Del Rio. We're out here in the city of Pico, Rivera today. We're bringing you a special treat. It's one of our newest listings coming to the market, first time in over 40 years. And what you're gonna love about it is it's a blank canvas at an amazing price. And I can't wait for you to see the inside. Let's go. Ta-da, we're inside Kilgarry Avenue. I'm so excited about this property because a couple of reasons. It's very rare you get to play with a blank canvas when you're buying your home, especially at the great price we're listing this home at. So right when you walk in, you have the original chestnut wood color flooring. It is a raised foundation. With these older homes like this built in the 50s, the raised foundation is key because you can run all your piping, your wires underneath without skipping a beat, and it's great when you go through the remodeling process. You've got this little peekaboo window that pokes out here. Because it is west facing, obviously, they had put in a little bit of a shade center so that this way the sun doesn't beat this side of the house up. What I really enjoy is just the overall space in here. It's huge, right? 1,700 square feet, but it already feels a lot open than normal. Over here on this side is your dining room area. It is a little bit cozier. The home was built in the 50s, guys. It's kind of what you expect out here, right? I want to be completely transparent with you. The home itself, as I mentioned earlier, it's gonna need a lot of work. It's gonna need a lot of TLC. It's gonna need a vision, right? The owners here, this is the original family-owned home. The owner passed away peacefully this last year in her home, like a lot of folks would love to do in their property. So if that's not your vibe, then you have to understand this property is probably not for you. You can look past that and know that you've got some amazing opportunities here, then keep following me down this amazing property. We're stepping into the kitchen. Now the kitchen space is very spacious, okay? You have plenty of room. You got the refrigerator section beside me here. You've got this nice counter space with a peekaboo window outside to your garage in your backyard. And then you've got another breakfast nook area here. So I want you to think big picture. Think about maybe knocking down this wall, having a nice center island right when you come in, massive open concept, right into the kitchen, the living room, and then your dining room, which is really nice. You've got 3 bedrooms on this side of the property, plus 1 back here in the family room, and then 2 bathrooms. You go take a look at those bedrooms and bathrooms, and then I'll meet you here in the family room. Ta-da, come inside here. Check out this family room / entertainment space. This is like your lounge area. You've got the old school wood paneling, the brick fireplace, the monstrous brick fireplace by the way, and then you've got the nice beam ceilings up here. What I love about this space is you can do with it whatever you'd like. You just have to have the vision, right? You could put the big screen TV up here. This could be the overall game room area or the entertainment room area. You do have the 4th bedroom off to the side. I mean, think of all the parties and events that happen here. If the walls could talk, there'd probably be some amazing stories that have happened here in this space. I do like that you have 2 access points. One right out through the garage. It is a detached garage, but when you pull your car in the back, you can come right in through the family room, right into the kitchen. Boom, you're there with your groceries. And then you have this other outdoor space here that takes you right into the backyard. What's fun about this overall space is you can do so much with it. You could do the pool table, right? You can have the bar area, television here, up there. Think of the big games, all the family fun nights you're gonna have. But if that's not your cup of tea, that's okay. You can also turn this into the playroom, the kids area, maybe the kids school for a lot of you that are homeschooling. You have plenty of opportunities with this space. You've got that 4th bedroom here off to the side. It can act as a mother-in-law's quarters or just having an extra bedroom for when you have friends and family over, which is great. And then let's take a look outside because it all comes together. Outside is perfect. What I meant by how you bring it all together is if you like to entertain, you do the indoor, outdoor, you have that capability here. You wanna make this a little bit larger? You can. Put the bifolding doors in, get an extended covered patio out here, then you literally have the entertainer's delight of both interior and exterior. Or you just keep it with what you have. You have enough space here to put in a jungle gym for the kids. You want to do an outdoor barbecue or kitchen or gazebo. You have that space. You know, a lot of the walls here back in the days were built up to 5 feet. You can put an extension if you want a little bit more privacy. Some owners have done that. So you have that capability. And then you have the natural shade from the tree, which is a real plus in the summer months, because when you're out here hanging out, chilling, you don't want to be so hot if you can avoid it. You also have another storage area behind the garage, and that area can be used for storage. You can have a dog run. I mean, you really have all the possibilities at your fingertips. And that's what I love about this property. The 2-car garage is detached. The owners were using it kind of as an office for the interim, but that can be taken down and you can bring it back to a full 2-car garage. And I love the privacy that you get with your side yard because it's gated. So if you feel like you want to maybe turn this into an ADU, what a lot of people are doing, and then keep your privacy here with your cars, you have that capability. Not too many homes give you those options. That's what I love about Kilgarry. You get those options. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Let's recap and talk about all the great things you're going to be getting with this home. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 5502 Kilgarry Avenue here in the city of Pico, Rivera. How awesome is it to get a blank canvas of a property so that you can do what you want with it? Let's recap. This property has 4 bedrooms, spacious bedrooms, by the way, 2 bathrooms. You are at 1,700 square feet, 5,500 plus square foot lot. You've got the detached garage. You've got the big open spaces, right? All the opportunities to rebuild or resurface this property the way you want it to. And then on top of that, you're in an amazing neighborhood. You've got great pride of ownership by the neighbors. You've got your steps to some of the best schools right down the street. You've got Rivera, Rio Vista Elementary. You've got El Rancho High School. Those schools are all there at your steps, right? You also have some amazing playgrounds and entertainment. You've got Smith Park, which has a massive playground, a full sports center with baseball fields, soccer. You've got an aquatic area there as well. All of that stuff is walking distance. And then let's not forget shopping. You're right around the corner from Target, from Lowe's, from Home Depot. I mean, all of that stuff's at your fingertips. Grocery stores, you've got some of the best restaurants in town. You've got Clearman's Steak and Stein. You've got the Del Rey Steakhouse restaurant, just that bygone era restaurant, all here at your fingertips. If you need to travel to LA, you're 13 miles away to downtown if you got to get to work. You want to jump on the freeway, get to the beaches, get to the mountains. It's all here, close proximity, just for you. So I don't have to tell you, it's gonna go fast. Call me, text me, let's get you inside so you can see the product. Hopefully you've been able to see everything in its entirety and see if this home is the one you're gonna be calling home. 714-335-0844 is my number. Have a great day and thanks for stopping by.